Historically, if you wanted to add even simple speech recognition support to a product with a small MCU, you needed to step up the horsepower and memory. That was until Renesas announced the RA2 voice kit with Cyberon support. Hi, I'm Vin D'Agostino. Customers are often put off by the BOM cost increase that always comes with adding speech or voice commands. That's why the Renesas RA2 voice kit is such an exciting announcement, offering an efficient solution for companies looking to add speech recognition support. I just had to grab one, open it up, and see what I could do with it. The box contains all the familiar stuff from previous kits. An RA voice board. This one has an RA2 device. A USB cable. All in the familiar box. Nice! Since I had created the light bulb demo for the RA4 and RA6 voice kits, I figured that would be a good way to compare. So I looked through all the docks, then got out my plug-in LED board. Because this board has the same standard PMOD connector as the other two, we can simply plug the light bulb demo board into this board. Then we plug in our debug cable, and we're ready to go. The debug circuit on this board is the same as the other two. If you've seen the previous RA Voice product and lab videos, you'll recognize the familiar Cyberon DSpotter interface used for building our product's command structure. For RA2, it works exactly the same as it does for the RA4 and RA6 solutions. In E² Studio, the libraries, tools, and binaries get included in the same place as well. And the code to support the UI works in exactly the same way, with the voice loop engine sampling data and then issuing a callback to a simple switch statement, deciding what code runs as a result of keyword detection. And just like the RA4 and RA6 solutions, those keywords are made of phonemes generated from the text entered into the DSpotter tool. Let's compile and run it. Light on. Light off. Sequence. Speech recognition on an RA2. That's really special. Renesas has made it easy to add local voice commands to a product running on something as small as an RA2 device. I'm impressed. If you want to try this yourself, check out the lab video where they developed the light bulb demo at renesas.com/edgevui. For more information, contact your local Renesas sales rep or go to renesas.com. To see your live demo, contact your local Renesas FAE.